Hello everybody, my name's Anthony Failer and today I'll be describing you Joel Sternfield and his photo of McLean, Virginia, taken in December 1978. This photo is, starting off with the subject matter, this photo is taken with a farm market in the middle ground and then the smashed pumpkins in the very front of the photo. There's one person in the front of the farm market. He or she is wearing a yellow jacket. And that's pretty much the most popping thing about it. The flea market or farm market sign is McLean Farm Market, and then there's a sweet cider right next to it. Mostly not really matching in yellow, but matching in green color. The background is a fire on this house that has a similar colors as the flea farm market stand. So you can assume that the person in front of the farm market may be the owner of the house and the farm market, which is cool, or not cool in this case because the house in the background is on fire. Yeah. And so you can tell it's taken in 1978 due to the background of the fire trucks. The fire trucks are very not updated at all. You can easily tell that it's older technology trying to take out this fire. What else is in the form is, or I'm sorry, the medium is that this could be film that was most likely, pretty sure, used to make this photo. This wasn't a setup, prop down, and this is waiting to happen. This was spontaneous more and saying, oh my gosh, I need to take a photo of this. Maybe this photographer saw that this was a great representation of the time era and how that things are in disarray with the pumpkins and the fire in the background and the farm market barely standing. So that's probably pretty cool. And so that's why more style that would show. That's what I think the style is a representation of the time period of how it's in disarray and it's barely holding on, unless there's just one tree in the background. This one tree is grand, it's big, and it's alive, but that's the only one alive. So it's pretty interesting, and I hope you enjoyed my take on this photo, and thank you very much.